Follow these simple steps to export tagged contacts to a Google Sheet. Start the extension by clicking at the upper right corner of your browser. Click on the menu icon on the top right of the extension. From the Options menu, select Export Tagged Contacts. All we need from you is the link to your preferred Google Sheet where your data will be seamlessly transferred. Now, let's make this process even smoother. Click on the link to create a copy of the default Google Sheet. Navigate to the File tab and choose Make a Copy. Rename the file to Chatsilo Contact List and then click the Make a Copy button. Ensure that privacy settings are set to Anyone with the link and grant View access to the editor. Copy the URL link and paste it into the URL field within the extension. Click the Verify button to confirm the validity of the URL. Select the specific tags from which you'd like to export contacts. Finally, click the Export button. If you check the Google Sheet, you will find all the contacts in there. You can also export all tagged contacts in one go by selecting the Select All Tag checkbox. As you can see, all your tagged contacts have been effortlessly exported to your chosen Google Sheet.